got a bit of productions out and about, morning walk. I think it's about after 10 o'clock actually. Yeah, 5:10 in the morning on a rainy day. Just on Clifton Nature Reserves. Gotta say, I haven't been on there before. You got Trent just there. And further they got Clifton Wood and I think or something like that they're called. Just thought I'd just come on here, have a quick visit. Same wood there. Take some shots. I probably won't take some. I didn't want to get my camera to get wet. So basically I just thought to come and have a quick visit, and I was going to walk further up past like you know what's Cliff and Trent, the way the power plant is. I passed all up them sides in there, but well, see how the grass is, you know, because you've got to go in the countryside, isn't it? So, say, mum, I got my watch boots on, you know, get me all about. It doesn't matter whether the weather, man will roll. And that's it really. I just thought, you know, I always wanted to come on here. So I just thought, you know what, sod it. I only go up to in the I think 14 all up them sides. But I don't think I'll be going that far, because I know that it will be like, the land will be drenched. But I'm going to see how it is anyway. Right, that's a long hill. Well, maybe we'll come up there today. So I've been using my GoPro, so I'm using my phone and all, just in case my GoPro doesn't work properly. So I just thought, no, just let you guys know. Yeah, so from now on, hopefully, when I download it from my GoPro to my laptop, hopefully the audio is good on the video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing anyway now. Using my GoPro rather than my phone, and I'm going to start using my Canon to do videos as well. All about, you know. I kind of look like a drunk right now. Like this one's been to what? Yeah, but you know, at least I'm actually dry. Saying what about wood, please, man. I'm walking shoes. Yeah, man. Save, man. When I'm walking through town and seeing people just like wearing like jeans and things, I think, oh, you're going to be drenched all day. At least I got bottom underneath and things, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not fussed. I'm always prepared for every weather. You know what I'm saying, man?